I got a few emails from our members. They're saying, you know what, Dan, I'm struggling with money, or I'm still learning how to make money, or I don't have any money to manage. So, this workshop ain't for me. It's like saying, I'll exercise when I'm fit. You don't wait till you're fit and then you exercise. You exercise to get fit. So if you don't have any money right now, you don't wait till I'll make more money, then I'll learn to manage it. The very fact you don't have a lot to manage right now shows you don't know how to fucking manage it. It's very simple. So it's not that you wait till you have money, then you do it. It's along the way, as you make money, you have to learn how to manage it. If you're making $5,000 a month and you can't manage $5,000, what makes you think you can manage $50,000 a month? What makes you think you can manage $500,000 a month? You can't even manage the fucking $5,000 that you have. And it's how it works. Money is attracted to people who knows how to multiply. That's why the rich get richer. It has nothing to do with opportunity. It's for them, it's not for others. It's not about that. It's because they have the skill set to multiply, and money is attracted to that.
You see, when it comes to investing, do not get fancy. You don't need sophisticated, complicated techniques. If anything, you want to go with something very, very simple, something very proven. Most wealthy people that I know, they invest in only a number of things. Could be real estate, could be index fund, could be the stock market, their own businesses. That's it. They're not chasing the latest, what you see on social media, the latest investment scheme and things like that. No, they only invest in long-term proven investment vehicles. Stocks are one of those vehicles. Maybe you're not in a position to invest in real estate. That's okay, you're still saving up some money. When it comes to creating wealth, I want you to understand something here. Skill, right? Skill, your investing skill, that's very, very critical. But what is more important is discipline. Discipline, having that discipline. Don't get the shiny object syndrome. Now you may be thinking, so Dan, what are you saying? You mean that all I need to do is just put a little bit of money aside, put it in some kind of low fee index fund, and that's all I need to do? Yes, that is exactly what I'm saying. That's it. People want all these fancy techniques and all these things. When you notice, when you actually study how investing works and how wealthy investors invest, that's exactly what they do. You build your business first. And when your business throws off so much cash and you have reinvest a lot of profits into your business to grow, and it's now throwing off more cash, then you take that money, the extra cash, and then you can put into real estate. Before you go, what I recommend is this. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. So when is it the best time to buy real estate? It's when you have so much money. When you have so much cash coming in from your business, take that money, put that into real estate, because long term, if you buy right, you would become very, 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 very wealthy.